Dear students and all other viewers, you all are welcome to my new class. I think you all are well by the grace of the Almighty. I am also well. I am Topul Kumar Bishwas, Assistant Headmaster of Kalshira Radhandra City Secondary School, Shitolbari, Bagherhat. Dear students, today I will take a class on English first year of class 8. Today's unit is 3, lesson 6, and the name of the topic is physical exercise. Physical exercise is our topic today. Dear students, we have got 3 words here, keywords. I have written the meaning of the word here. Stretching means propagate. In Bengali, প্রসারিত করা. Next word, benefit. In Bengali, লাভ বা উপকারী বা ঠিক আছে. And in English, advantage. Okay, dear students, the next word, regularity. Regularity means discipline. Okay. Now we have got a picture here in activity A. Dear students, what can see in the picture? I think you will answer in this way. I think there is a boy in the picture who is stretching his body. I think he is taking physical exercise. Okay, and it will the discussion between you and your partner. One will ask what can see in the picture, and the other will answer to this question, and he can also ask another question to his friend or partner. In this way, what is he doing here? Now another will answer in this way, he is taking physical exercise. And then the other friend again asked a question in this way, that what is the benefit of taking physical exercise. In this way you will finish the discussion. Now we will go to the next activities B. Here we have got a text. I am reading for you here without Bengali meaning. Mr. Pronoy Larma, the physical teacher of Rupur High School, is talking about health to his students. What things are necessary for good health? He asked the students. We need a lot of things, teacher says Rusha. We need healthy food, proper rest and sleep. We also have to be clean and tidy. Good, says Mr. Larma. These are the things you need for good health, but another thing that you also need is regular physical exercise. What type of physical exercise can you do, teacher? Asked right. Well, says Mr. Larma, there are different kinds of physical exercise. You can do them indoors as well as outdoors. In the house, you can do some freehand exercise, that is, you can stretch different parts of your body. Outside, you can play, swim, or simply walk. Why do you need physical exercise, teacher? Asked Ranjan. Well, says Mr. Larma, the benefits of physical exercise are many. The greatest of them is that it keeps you fit for work. It also gives you energy and makes you strong and cheerful. It teaches you regularity and discipline as well. Okay, dear students, I have finished reading. Now, some question here. You will answer this question taking information from the text. Okay. Now, I am reading the first question. What things are necessary for good health? I have written the answer here for you. Answer to the question number 1 is, for good health we need healthy food, proper rest, sleeping and physical exercise. Now question number 2, how many physical exercises are there? Answer, there are many exercises like playing, swimming, walking, etc. You can add to these. Okay. Now question number 3, why do we need physical exercise? Answer, we need physical exercise for good health. For good health we need to do physical exercise. Okay. Now question number 4, what physical exercise do we do? Answer to this question is, we generally swim, play game, walk, etc. to do it. Now the last one, do you have a physical education teacher in your school? How does he or she help you to do physical exercise? Answer is, yes, we have one. He teaches us physical exercise practically. Okay, dear students, I think you have got the point here. Now, activity C, I am reading the instruction. Here is a list of some physical exercises. Tick which one or which ones you like. First, you will have to tick them. Which one or ones are you like? Okay. Then tell the class the reasons for your liking. Finally, write in your notebook which ones are indoor exercises and which are outdoors, and which one can be done both indoors and outdoors. Now I have prepared the answer for you here. Activity C. First, you will have to tick which one or ones do you like. Playing sports and swimming, I have taken here for you. Okay. Now the next answer, indoor, outdoor and both indoor and outdoor. You will choose the physical exercises here from which one are indoor exercise, which one are outdoor exercise, and which one are both in outdoor and indoor. Indoor skipping and stretching, these are performed in the outdoor. This can be performed in indoor. Okay. Now outdoor, outdoor swimming, jogging, walking, playing sports. Okay. Now both indoor and outdoor, skipping and stretching. Skipping and stretching are of both indoor and outdoor. Okay. Now activity C. Activity C. Here are 4 questions for you, and you will have to answer to these questions. I have prepared answers for you here. Question number 1. Why do you need regular physical exercise? Answer, we need regular physical exercise for good health. Okay. You can add to this answer. You can add it help us being strong and fit for work. Okay. Now question number 2. What does physical exercise teach you? That means in Bengali, physical শরীর চর্চা তোমাকে কিভাবে কি শেখায়? Answer, physical exercise teaches us discipline. Okay. Now you can add to this regularity. Okay. Question number 3. Do you do physical exercise every day? What sort of exercise do you do? Answer, yes, I do physical exercise every day. I walk, swim and play games. Now the last question. What is your favorite sport? Do you take part in it? I will answer the first question here. Football is my favorite sport. Now the next question: what sort of exercise? Sorry, do you like take part in it? Yes, I take part in it regularly. Now the last question: if so, where do you play it and who will? That means in Bengali, কোথায় এটা করো, কোথায় এটা খেলো এবং কাদের সাথে খেলো? Answer is I play it with my friends in our school playground in our village. Bengali, আমি এটা খেলি আমার বন্ধুদের সাথে আমার স্কুল মাঠে, আমাদের গ্রামের স্কুলের মাঠে আমি আমার বন্ধুদের সাথে খেলি। Okay, my dear students, I have come to the end of the class. Before leaving, I would like to suggest you to stay home for being safe and to stay for being safe. Okay, thanks.